Hello, crypto fellows, and welcome to my channel where I provide you with the latest crypto insights. If you are visiting this channel for the first time, join the fam by hitting that subscribe button and enabling the notification bell to stay updated about all crypto realm news. Without any further delay, let's hop right into it. One of the biggest airdrops of the fourth quarter of last year is back with a second season airdrop to reward its community with free Pengu tokens. If you have participated in their airdrop or you hold Penguin NFTs, you will be eligible to claim Pengu tokens immediately. Remember, the more you are active, the more you will receive. You will find all the resources for this airdrop in the link in the description. For those unfamiliar with this project, Pudgy Penguins is a Web3 brand that started as a collection of 8,888 Ethereum-based NFTs, evolving into a global intellectual property with a related token, merchandise, gaming, and a digital metaverse. I hope you find this video beneficial. See you in the next one.